Alright friends, now we are going to calculate the sum of numbers using do while loop. So we have done this exercise before, but now we will do it with do while loop and we will see the difference. So what's the task? We will ask the user to enter numbers repeatedly, and then the loop will continue until the user enters a negative number. So at that point, the loop will stop and the program will display the total of the numbers entered. Okay, I need to close this input. I forget this in my previous exercise. How can I close input that I'm using input.close method. Super. So what I need to do, I need to change it from while loop to do while loop. So I cut these and then I paste here and I open my do while loop. Okay, that's all. First, as you see, I ask user to enter a number. So user do it. So after I open my do while loop, I ask the user to enter a number again. But in my first condition, I don't check if this number is negative or not. So after the second number, I'm checking if the number is greater than 0 or not. If it is, it will enter this loop again. So I come here and I run it. Enter a number, I say 5. So enter a number, I say -5. You see, I can enter a number secondly. It's my second input, but -5 is not greater than or equals to 0. So that's why this loop ends, but sum becomes 5 here. So I print sum value on the screen. I run again. I come here. I say Java, main Java, enter a number, I say 5. And then I say 10. So enter a number, I say -4. As you see, sum is 15. 5 is my first value. So sum becomes 5 here. I ask the user to enter a number again. I entered 10. So 10 is greater than or equals to 0. Yes. So it will enter the loop again. So sum was 5. 5 plus 10. Sum becomes 15. I ask the user enter a number again. I enter -4. I'm checking if -4 is greater than 0 or not. It is not. So it will not enter this loop again. So sum was 15. So I print sum value to the screen, which is 15. I hope you understand the logic. It's so easy.